Good PM. Today is Saturday, January 13, 2024, and here are the 3 PM STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Shore 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, January 13, 2024. Here are the SL Shore 3 PM result for Mandawi City. Under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for January 13, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for Saturday, January 13, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.